Hi, my name is Ella. Today I'll be making chocolate chip cookies. For this recipe, you'll need 1 cup of sugar, 1 cup of brown sugar, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 3½ cups of flour, 2 eggs, 2 sticks of salted butter, softened, 2½ cups of chocolate chips. Preheat the oven to 375 and line a pan with parchment paper. In a bowl, mix the flour, baking soda, baking powder, and salt. In a separate bowl, mix the butter and sugars. Then beat in the vanilla and eggs. Mix the dry ingredients into the bowl with the butter, sugar, vanilla, and eggs. Once you're done, add the chocolate chips. Verify that the chocolate chips taste good. Make really sure. Then make the cookies as big as you want them. Bake for 9 to 10 minutes or until they are starting to brown at the edges. Once they are done, let them sit for a minute or two. Maybe, then eat them.